All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So lend a hand. To help someone. Help. Help someone. I always lend a hand to my neighbours. They want me to lend a hand. She would like me to lend them a hand. To help them. Yeah. They wanted me to lend a hand. Yeah. With more free time, I am able to lend a hand easier. Yeah. More free time and lend a hand. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Do you think you could lend me a hand? Maybe. Could you lend me a hand? Could you help me? Could you lend me a hand? I need to move that box. This big box. I need to move it. Could you lend me a hand? Maybe. Yeah. Maybe not. Yeah. So to help someone, yeah. Help someone, lend a hand to someone. Quite important, really. Yeah. Okay. We always lend a hand when people need help. It is the right thing to do. How cool is that? Yeah, to help someone. Yeah. So, can you use lend a hand in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.